Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a customized layout on TradingView. A layout in TradingView is essentially a snapshot of how your chart looks and feels. Your drawings, markers, colors, labels, and overall visual setup. Saving a layout lets you return to the exact same chart appearance later, so you can work consistently without rebuilding your setup each time. This is incredibly helpful for traders who work with multiple charts or strategies and want to maintain a consistent, organized environment for analysis. First, start by tailoring your chart exactly the way you want it. Add your markers to highlight key price points and draw lines such as trend lines, channels, or horizontal levels for support and resistance. This step is crucial because it ensures that your chart reflects the critical price action you're analyzing. If you use prediction markers to sketch potential price paths, place those now as well. Prediction markers are a great tool for visualizing possible future movements based on current market conditions. Customize the colors so everything is easy to read at a glance. Use high contrast between your lines and the background to ensure they stand out, especially if you're viewing your chart in low light environments. This can help reduce eye strain, particularly during long trading sessions. Select line thicknesses that are visible without cluttering the view. A good rule of thumb is to use thicker lines for key support/resistance levels and thinner ones for minor trend lines or reference points. Label your markers and lines clearly with concise names like weekly support or breakout line, so you always remember what each element represents. Clear labeling ensures that you don't waste time figuring out what a specific line represents when you revisit your chart later. This is also a great time to adjust candle colors, grid visibility, or background shades to match your preference and reduce eye strain. Some traders prefer darker backgrounds with lighter candles, while others might prefer a light theme. Customizing this aspect will not only make your chart visually pleasing, but also more comfortable for prolonged use. Once your chart looks just right and you're satisfied with the placements, head to the top right area of the screen. You'll see the current layout name and right next to it, a small caret icon. Basically, a little triangle that opens a menu. Click that caret to open the layout options. In the menu that appears, you can click Save to update your existing layout with your current chart changes. This is perfect when you want to keep working within the same setup without starting from scratch. It's especially useful if you want to tweak a layout and keep all of your previous adjustments intact. If you'd rather preserve your current setup as a brand new layout, click Create New Layout. When you choose Create New Layout, give it a clear, descriptive name that tells you what it's for. Something like Clean Trend Lines, Scalp View, or Colorblind Friendly. A good naming system makes it easy to switch later without confusion. For example, you might use Scalper Setup for a layout optimized for short-term, high-frequency trades, or Swing Trade Setup for a layout designed for longer-term trades. This way, you'll always know which layout to use based on your trading style or market conditions. After you click Save or Create New Layout, TradingView will store your current chart look, including your markers, lines, prediction markers, colors, and labels. That's it. Your customized layout is now saved. From here on, you can confidently come back to this exact configuration whenever you need it, knowing your visual choices and annotations are preserved. This means you won't have to waste time reconfiguring your charts and can jump straight into your analysis or trade execution. Keeping your layout organized and readable helps you analyze faster and make decisions with clarity. A well-organized chart can make it easier to spot key price levels, trends, and potential trade setups, ultimately improving your overall trading efficiency. With your layout saved, you're set up for a consistent workflow every time you open TradingView. You'll always be able to return to your favorite setups, making your trading experience smoother and more efficient.